Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito, sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love readings ngayon na mismo. Okay. So, um, kalahati na ng taon ang natapos at pumasok na ang panibagong half of 2026. Yan, pumasok na si Julina. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung masasagap kong energy from the collective. And this love reading ay para sa lahat ng Virgo. So, hello sa inyong mga Virgo. Thank you dahil patuloy na akong sinusuportahan. And please keep supporting my channel by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba lalo na kung mag-resonate ang reading after nyo panoorin hanggang dulo. Okay, and if bago kayo, subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love readings, lalo na kung nagko-connect kayo sa akin. Okay, so thank you so much. And yeah, nabanggit ko sa last video ko para sa lahat ng earth signs yung promo ng free personal and private love readings. So kung gusto niyo i-check, panoorin niyo lang yung videos na yung video pala na yon. Yan. And kung gusto nyo sumali, yan, just follow the mechanics. Okay, bubunot ako ng 8 cards from the tarot deck. Pero bago yan, bubunot ako ng isang card from this oracle deck. That would be the overall energy of this reading. Just a reminder that this is a general and collective love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Kapag hindi, huwag pilitin, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Better yet, book a personal private reading dahil mas naka-align yun sa energy ninyo. Nasa description box lang naman yung email address ko. Okay? So, I'll get the 7th card dahil July na nga ngayon. Tapos, after this, bubunot ako ng 8 cards from the tarot deck to interpret the energy of this oracle card in detail. So, or to interpret it in more detail. That's what I mean. So, 4, 5, 6. Oops, yun nasa ilalim, yung pang 7. Okay, so, sinasabi ay see beneath the surface. Dig deeper and find the ruby. Okay. So, when it comes to love, this is the energy na gusto nang iparating sa inyo or the message na gusto nang iparating sa inyo ng universe. And seeing beneath the surface, meaning sa love, lalo na sa love, huwag lang surface level. Okay, ang dami kasi sa atin na surface level pa lang yung nalalaman natin about the person and even the feelings na parang surface level pa lang yung nararamdaman natin, nagko-commit na tayo agad na hindi pa tayo talaga sigurado. Kaya in the end, nag-feel yung relationship kasi nga ang dami pang mga kulang. Hindi pa tayo ready, hindi pa sila ready. Okay, ang dami pa nating information na hindi alam sa person, tapos malalaman natin na may mga toxic behavior sila. Diba? So, use your intuition. Let your intuition guide you. Na kapag there's something off talaga dun sa person, kilalanin nyo pa siya further. Okay? Pwede kasing hindi naman siya talaga masamang tao, pero may mga behavior siya na kailangan baguhin, na siguro kailangan yung i-call out, kailangan niyang ayusin before mag-proceed yung relationship. Kailangan niya lahat ng mga nagbo-block sa 100% love energy between the two of you, kailangan maalis siya. Kailangan ma-release yung mga negative energies na yun. And for you to be able that, first, you really have to see beyond what's shown to you. Diba? So, behind the mask, if there's a mask, diba? And sa inyo naman din, ask yourself din, kilala nyo ba din talaga yung sarili ninyo? Okay? Kasi baka hindi. Diba? So, minsan, masyado tayong pessimistic. Sinasabi natin na, ay, hindi naman ako gwapo, hindi naman ako maganda, ay, hindi naman ako kamahal-mahal, hindi siya magkakagusto sa akin. Pero, check nyo. I mean, tingnan ninyo, ano ba yung nasa kaloob-looban ng sarili ninyo, di ba? There's something there, something beautiful. There's this ruby inside you na kamahal-mahal, very precious, very rare, very valuable, na kapag nakita nyo din mismo sa sarili ninyo, yun, I think it's an invitation for you also to love yourself even more. And kapag na-discover ninyo at nakita ninyo, na-unearth ninyo yung ruby sa inyo, mag-surface yan and makikita din ng taong nagmamahal sa inyo how precious you are. Okay? How lovable you are. How deserving you are to be genuinely loved and cared for. Okay. Yun. Diba? Lalim. Ang lalim. Kailangan talagang unearth sa lalim. Okay, so sige, tingnan natin yung detalye using this tarot. So first card, Queen of Swords. Four of Wands, nice. The Star, make a wish. Ganda. The Page of Wands. So far, the first four cards are very nice. Seven of Pentacles. Six of Cups. Wow. Seven of Cups. 6, 7. And last, Ace of Wands. Nice. Ang ganda ng cards. Lahat. Very positive. Very promising. Okay? Kaya see beneath the surface. Minsan nakikita natin yung nasa surface parang mega lahat. Or, yun. Siguro isa yun sa kailangan alisin nyo rin. Yung pagiging pessimistic ninyo. Pero beyond that, ang gaganda. Okay, yung energy very positive. Very good. Okay? And bottom of the deck pa. Yun. Four of Pentacles, and I think that's the energy nga na medyo nagsasurround sa inyo na unaware kayo pero nandun yun, kaya sinasabi din is see beneath the surface kasi si Four of Pentacles medyo yun nga, parang nakafocus tayo on something na hindi naman natin kailangan talagang pagtuunan ng pansin. Masyado tayong ina-avoid natin yung katotohanan. Ina-avoid natin yung what's really inside us, what's the true version of ourselves, di ba? So, takot tayo maging vulnerable. So, that's the energy here. Kaya, alisin nyo na yung fear of vulnerability. Okay? And don't control things. Minsan medyo nagiging controlling tayo din sa mga bagay-bagay. Okay? And kaya everything is na-stuck sa surface level. Lahat, pati yung relationship, surface level lang. Diba? Kasi nililimit nyo nga lang doon yung kahit kayo din, pinipigilan nyo rin makilala kayo na better ng person. Diba? Kasi nga may takot kayo na maging vulnerable dahil in your mind, ay masasaktan lang ako. Diba? Yun nga, that negative mindset, alisin nyo na. Okay? Kasi super positive ng mga cards. Napakaganda. Okay? So, see, ito yung nangyayari, but ito yung energy. Talaga. Parang ito yung surface level, but sa ilalim nun or inside that, napakaganda ng energy. Okay, interpret na natin. So, we have the Queen of Swords. And here, sinasabi lang dito na with the Queen of Swords, there's you have to be really clear in terms of communication. Very important. Queen of Swords is or has this honest or being truthful in expressing everything through communication, through words. Diba? Parang kung ito yung gusto nyo, sasabihin nyo siya, hindi nyo sasabihin na or kung ayaw nyo itong isang bagay, sasabihin nyo siya. Hindi nyo i-sugarcoat. Diba? And that's better. Kasi the more honest and open the communication is, mas nagkakakilanlan nga kayong dalawa. Even better. Mas, nagiging deep ang connection. Okay? And with the Four of Wands showing up, Four of Wands is a very lucky card. It even represents 1111, okay, which is a very positive numbers, repeating numbers pa siya, and Four of Wands has this energy of leveling up, magkakaroon ng new chapter, milestone in the connection, in the relationship. And again, that is if, diba, hahanapin nyo nga yung ruby na yun. And after finding that ruby, there's mag-open din yung mga not just doors but windows, opportunities in the relationship to grow. Okay, and I can see here that this is what you're really hoping for with the star card here. Inaasam-asam nyo naman din talaga na mas makilala pa or mag-deepen pa yung connection ninyo ng person mo. You want healing din sa sarili mo, 'di ba? Kapag yung sinabi ko kanina na mga hindi niyo matanggap yung sarili niyo na kamahal-mahal kayo, 'di ba? You need healing and you have to really accept yung mga bagay-bagay. Kasi once you're healed, 'di ba? Mas kaya niyo i-accept yung sarili niyo, yung person, and yung mga imperfections sa relationship. Okay, and with the Star Cup card here, also it's having faith in love, diba? Continue to have faith in love, and it's kadikit pa niya ang Page of Wands, and with this Page of Wands energy has this new beginning, a fresh start. A bit spontaneous, but it's nice to be spontaneous sometimes. But it signifies a fresh start, a new chapter here, and a fresh start with that new milestone in your life. And Seven of Pentacles is a card of growth. So, it's a bit slow. Medyo slow yung growth na to. Hindi siya yung something na parang right away dahil na-unearth nyo na yung ruby ay agad-agad yung mga changes. Hindi, it says slow growth pero makikita ninyo na nag-grow siya, and that's better than drastic one. At least, di ba, parang na acclimate pa kayo dun sa mga changes na nangyayari. And with the with the Six of Cups here, may mga memories, good memories in the past, memories of yourself as well na babalikan nyo and masasabi nyo sa sarili nyo na buti na lang I decided to find this ruby. Buti na lang na kinilala ko pa further yung sarili ko, kinilala ko pa further yung person ko, at naging mas mabuti yung kinahinatnan ng relasyon namin. And with the Seven of Cups, there is still, merong energy pa of indecision. I think this is the only not so positive, pero hindi naman din siya super negative. Pero kasi Seven of Cups has this energy of indecisiveness. Parang, okay, gusto nyong makita yung yung better, I mean, gusto niyo makilala yung person niyo, gusto niyo yung you want to see beneath the surface, pero minsan parang do I really have to? May mga ganong ano kayo, tawag doon, may mga bumubulong-bulong sa inyo na parang kailangan ba? Pero yan, sinasabi naman, alam niyo na yung sagot, 'di ba? Kasi here lumabas pa si Ace of Wands, which is a new beginning. It's a fresh start really when it comes to um, the love, a very passionate love. And Ace of Wands also is a card of alam niyo yung ma-reignite yung affection, yung love, yung kung paano kayo nagsimula. There's parang rekindling of the flame. Yun, may ganun. Pero yeah, but that's the energy of Ace of Wands, na a new beginning, something more passionate. The more nga, di ba, na mas nakilala niyo pa yung isa't isa, di ba, parang nag-deepen yung connection niyo, mas in love kayo, mas nagkaroon ng, mas naging intense ang affection niyo and care and love sa isa't isa. So, yeah, again, kaya nyong i-deflect or kaya nyong baguhin tong Four of Pentacles, it's just a major arcana, and shift to this positive energy. Okay? So, sana nakatulong itong reading sa inyo. Always use my readings with discernment. Okay? Nasa inyong kamay pa rin ang kapalaran ninyo. So, sana nagbigyan kayo ng insights and a bit of guidance sa mga kailangan nyo gawin, lalo na kung nag-resonate ang reading na ito sa inyo. Okay, so kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Ingat!